like to talk to you about overpopulation and family planning.
What is that?
This is what we do in America to cut back on our families so we don't have so many kids. This is what our women take in America so they don't have any more children.
Oh, but in Africa, children are everything.
That's your problem, Thomas Luke. Overpopulation. Now, help me, please. Take one a day. Right? Okay.
Talk about contraception, the fact remains that hundreds of millions of women don't have access and should.
Well, you're saying should, but who are you to decide if you don't mind me saying? Well, I was born in Africa, I was raised in Africa, I continue to go to Africa many times a year. You just speak to any ordinary woman. I think contraception might be like the 10th thing she says, if that.
But it's